all the fish and more.
And it's a big welcome back to the Sardine News. This beautiful 24th of May 2025, the 22s at Umtentweni is on today, and the waves are cooking. A whole bunch of surfers going to be doing their best for the big bucket of money first prize. Right, we're going to go all over the country today, so you're going to have to strap in, hold on tight, and off we go.
Welcome back to the Sardine News, all the fish and more.
So we got 2 on the beach. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. What's the point? Wrong board. Wrong board. Wrong board. Okay, here comes our aerial material. Let's see if he's loosened up a bit. Ooh, putting some effort into it. Oh no, I'm aiming verkeerd. Then shot. Ah, that looks a little bit better, eh? A lot better for a Friday morning. Noordskloof Point. Bit of a serious wind on it. Hey, isn't that beautiful? An unridden wave.
Sea's too rough, got a heavy undercurrent. Three fishermen only.
How's it, chaps? This is Kevin at Kochermouth, just north of Mazeppa Bay, southern Transkei. Well, major movement moving past here. We've had a large shoal, and I'm going to say it's much more than a pilot shoal. Has already passed through Nabaga. It's up near Dwesa, which is near the Mbashi River. The Haven Hotel reported in that there were lots of birds there yesterday. So I'm expecting this shoal to come in a lot closer. We've got an east wind blowing today, which should cool the water down considerably. The inshore water is sitting at about 22 yesterday, but it's going to cool down, going to bring them in off the shelf, and they should be reaching Port St. John's probably in the next 2 days, but should be going through Hole in the Wall anytime this weekend. So waiting for some good footage. But yeah, game on, guys, game on.